I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious chayote recipe to start. I've already cut 2 chayotes in half and now I'll start slicing, as you can see here in the video. I'm cutting them into small square pieces. See guys? Now I cut the other way, forming these little squares. That's our goal, to make these squares. That's right, the squares are forming. I'm doing this with all the chayote pieces until I have 2 chayotes chopped into small pieces. While I'm chopping, tell me, what city are you from? Are you enjoying this recipe? Have you ever prepared a special recipe using chayote? A vegetable that many people don't use often because of its neutral flavor. However, this recipe we're going to make will have a simply delicious flavor. Now that I've finished chopping, I'm going to put all the chayote into a pot, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water, about a cup. I stir it a little. Now I cover the pot and let the chayote cook. While it's cooking, I'm preparing a delicious cream. To start, I put 3 whole eggs in a bowl, as you can see. I mix the eggs well so they become homogeneous. Now I add 200 grams of cream and mix everything well again. Tell me, what do you think of this recipe so far? It's pretty easy to make, isn't it? Comment on what you think so I can mention you in the next video. You're going to love it. I mix to form a nice homogeneous cream. Now I'm going to season it. The seasoning is to taste. I'm going to do the basics. I add a little salt and some black pepper. I mix well. Look at this wonderful cream. Now I'm going to transfer all the drained and cooked chayote into a baking dish. Remember, it has to be oven safe. I spread it out so that it forms a level layer. Now I'm going to add our cream, spreading it evenly. I use a spatula to mix everything so that the cream is fully incorporated into the chayote. This recipe is amazing. I add a little grated parmesan. This part is optional, but it makes a huge difference, you see. I highly recommend adding it. If you like, you can also add some oregano. I didn't. Now I'll put it in the oven at 180 degrees so that the cheese melts and forms a crust. Guys, look at this amazing recipe. It's totally worth making. The flavor is simply delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it.